Hey everyone, it is Jamie again here with your craft for this week. We are going to make squeeze bottle rockets. So for squeeze bottle rockets, you're going to need some cutouts, or you can draw your own rocket, some glitter, some paint, markers, ribbon, tape, scissors, glue, and we're just gonna have fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use some basic stuff, but you guys can make it as crafty as you'd like, which is why we have all these different options laid out. You can color, you can paint, however you wanna do it. I'm going to use some glue and glitter for my squeeze bottle. So I took that glue and water mixture that we used in our last craft when we made our night lights. And I'm just going to pour water and glue in here. And I'm gonna just coat the inside of this bottle. And you can use a kitchen squeeze bottle like I have here that you can get at like the dollar store or at Walmart. Or you can use like a sports water bottle that has a top that you can pull up. So we're gonna coat the inside of the bottle. Now I'm gonna add my glitter inside. I've got some silver and I've got some white. I'm gonna shake it up. Okay, so now that we've coated the inside with glitter, you're going to need to cut out or draw out little rockets for yourself. What we're gonna do is, I've already pre-cut some of these out, but what you're going to do is you're going to tape them to a straw. So you wanna make sure that you cut it down to maybe half or 3/4 of the straw, so. And then you're going to want to close off one end of the straw. So I'm just going to use my tape. Because we don't want any air to be able to come out through this top part of the straw. Once you've taped that off, you're going to tape on your rocket. And then I've got some ribbon and I'm gonna just tape it on to make it look like we have some fire coming off the end of it. And just make it a little more fun. Oops. So what you're going to do is, once everything is dry on your bottle, you're gonna stick your straw on top and you squeeze, and there goes your rocket.